We just put the potatoes in, sprayed the pan down, the dish down with a little avocado oil. Potatoes are gonna crisp up real nice in there, trust me on that one. We're gonna go in with a little bit of cheese. This is just the first layer because you know you can never have too much cheese, right? Time for a little cooked sausage. Let's get that in there. You know, if there's a little grease that pours out, hey, that's just more the better. Just adds that little bit of flavor. We'll spread those pieces of sausage around. Hey, tell me you have kids without telling me you have kids. We have so much of this crap. We got 5 eggs here we want to whisk up. Break them up. Farm fresh, baby. You know, that's how we roll. Beautiful yolks. And then just pour those beaten eggs just over the top. Kind of push that down. Right? Looking good so far. Smelling good. Guys, hear me now, believe me later. We're using a little packet gravy here. Ain't nothing wrong with that. We're gonna use a little milk with it. It calls for water. I think milk's gonna be better. Packet gravy is where it's at, especially with a nice, easy dish like this. Let's go. We're going in with a little smoky country bacon. You know it's good because there's artificially flavored bacon bits in it. Don't judge. I feel the judgment coming already. Pour that in. You know it's good if there's artificial bacon bits in it. Just get it all whisked up. This stuff will thicken up in the casserole in the oven. Don't worry about lumps and clumps in there. Just pour all that goodness in there. Bacon bits and all. It'll seep down a little bit. Don't worry about that. Folks, don't forget to season your food. I'm gonna add a little barbecue rub in here. Little all-purpose. Has a lot of good pepper goodness in it. Just zhuzh that all around in there. So every bite is full of flavor. Guys, tell me what you're thinking so far. Put it in the comments below, guys. Don't leave me hanging. I know you're thinking this needs more cheese. Well, I got you guys. Another little layer of cheese on top. It's gonna be creamy, cheesy, delicious. You're gonna lose your minds over this one, y'all. We got the piece de resistance right here, guys. This is the topper. Make sure you're using the grands, the home style, not the flaky ones, okay? We want the buttermilk biscuit style. Southern recipe as it were. Don't miss on this one, y'all. Also, do you hate opening these things like I do? Gives me a damn heart attack every dang time. All right, guys. You never know what's gonna pop. Get ready for that heart attack. Well, that was anticlimactic. It's popped. Let's take our little biscuits. Just add them around. I think we're looking at about 6 in here. All right. Now those are gonna puff up, become golden brown, delicious. We are ready to get this in the oven. What do you say? All right, time to get our Ninja oven fired up. Now you may ask, why is there an oven on your bar, CJ? And to that I would say, don't ask questions. Don't worry about it. What I do with my oven and my bar at the same time, don't worry about it. We have it on the bake setting. We're gonna go for 15 minutes. Temperature 375. There it is. Hit start. Let it go through the preheat. We'll be right back. Y'all, we're preheated. Let's get this gorgeous casserole in there. We'll see you in 15 minutes. Guys, we are done. There's the goodness. We're gonna pull it out, let it cool, and we'll take a look. This is the easiest breakfast casserole you'll ever try. Tell me what you think down in the comments. There you go, boys and girls. We are ready. Got us a little plate right here. Gonna dig in. Get one of the portions with the biscuit. Oh my goodness, guys. That is looking amazing. Don't forget the little extra bits in there. The eggs, the sausage, the cheese, that gravy we cooked it in. Perfectly portioned out. Tell me that isn't just a beautiful breakfast right there, guys. Let's take a bite. All right, we're fixing to get a bite here. We got some of the potato, got some of that biscuit on top. The gravy just kind of worked itself through with the eggs and the cheese and all that. This is on fire, guys. This is on fire. One more for good measure. All right, let's burn our face off. Cheers, y'all. Try this, because baby, you know it's good.